Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a breakfast recipe, fried plantain and eggs. This is an easy recipe for breakfast, quick to whip up. It won't take you any time at all. Now we're going to peel our ripe plantain. I'm just peeling and cutting it vertically. You can cut it into any preferred shape that you like, and I'm going to put it into a bowl. I absolutely love plantains. They are so versatile. You can make it into any dish that you like. There are so many options to make with this. Now I'm just going to season with a little bit of salt. You can absolutely skip this part, it's not definitely necessary, but adding a little bit of salt to sweet enhances the flavor of the sweetness. If you get what I mean, I really don't know how to explain that, but that's the easiest way you can get that. Now here's a little trick. If you want to know if your oil is hot enough, stick a skewer to the bottom of the pan. If it bubbles, then your oil is good to go. Now we're going to fry our plantains just quickly, no unnecessary drama. Fry till golden brown. You can absolutely take it out at this point. Some people like it a little golden brown, more brownish, I guess, like me. I like it just like this, get that sweetness caramelized a little bit. Now my plantains are ready, getting them out of the oil. I don't know if you can fry plantain without eating one. I really don't know. It's very hard. Now to our eggs. I'm going to crack a number of eggs into a bowl. Try your best not to get the shell in there. Nobody wants to eat shell. Now I'm just whisking this a little bit, not too much because we are going to do a little more whisking later. Next step is to add your vegetables. I'm adding some diced red onion, some diced spring onions, some pepper for a little kick, and thyme to season. I'm seasoning with a little bit of stock cube, salt, thyme leaves, and finally curry powder. You can add other seasonings if you like, it's your choice. Now I'm going to whisk all this together to really incorporate everything and make sure the seasoning are properly distributed. Time to fry. In a lightly oiled pan, you don't need too much oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan, and the best pan to use is a non-stick pan, as this will make your job so much easier. You don't need too much heat for eggs, just in a medium heat you can fry your eggs. Pour your egg mixture into your pan, let it bubble away. You don't need to touch this too much, but you can loosen the edges to make it easy for you to flip. If you like scrambled eggs, here is the perfect time to scramble your eggs, but we're making this into an omelette, so we're just going to leave this on medium low heat and let this cook. As you can see, the raw egg cooked on the top of the omelette is slightly less than it was before. This is showing you that your egg is cooking nicely, and now it's time to flip. You have to be careful at this point, guys. Don't break your egg. The raw egg was considerably less, so this is going to cook in no time at all. You don't need much cooking on the second half of this. 2 to 3 minutes, you're good to go. And there you have it, guys. This is an easy omelette recipe. Hope you enjoyed this, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe. If you try this recipe, make sure you tag us on our social media links down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.